What's up, guys? Alec here. Hope you're all having an amazing day. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Today I wanted to make a quick video for you guys and just say thank you to every one of you who helped me reach this new milestone. I just crossed 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so it's a big milestone for me. I've just been sharing a ton of stuff with you guys, helping you guys out with your business, and to be completely honest with you guys, I started this channel to share everything I have learned over my 5-6 years of selling online, and I just wanted to genuinely share that with you guys and give you guys as much valuable information that can change your lives and help you guys achieve your goals. Because not only is this channel all about Amazon FBA, but it's really about online income and making passive income to change your lives for the better. And I think that's what most of us want. Amazon FBA is just a method of how we're going to get there, and I'm sharing that with you guys because it has sincerely changed my life, and without online income and entrepreneurship, I would have never been where I am today. And I truly think it's the best way to make money today in 2018 and beyond, because e-commerce is just starting, guys. It's a few years in, and it is exponentially growing, and it's not stopping. Brick and mortar stores are closing down every day, and e-commerce is just going to continue to rise into the billions of people searching online and purchasing products. So that's what I'm about, and I really want to thank you guys for watching my channel and my videos and subscribing. Like I said, we just hit the 100 subscriber mark a few days ago, so thank you guys so much. I don't take any of you guys for granted. Each and every one of you, thank you for watching. Hopefully you get an immense amount of value out of my channel and really enjoy the content that I put out. I'm going to be putting out a lot of different stuff, helping you guys in your businesses and just sharing my opinions, experiences, and everything entrepreneur related. I just want to build an extremely large community around the entrepreneur and e-commerce and lifestyle business, being able to do what you want on your terms, because the real thing that I preach is being able to free your time from money. That's where life truly begins, because when you could actually detach your time from your money, that's when you actually can do the things you want in life, and you're not trapped in a cubicle at a 9-to-5 job, and you could live life on your own terms. So I hope you guys enjoy everything, and I'm going to be talking a lot more about this stuff and sharing my experiences. So thank you guys. Keep commenting below. I read everything, and I want to constantly interact and engage with all of you guys. I'm just growing a large family of people who want to learn about this stuff. So explain to you guys who are new to my channel what selling physical products online and building a brand like I preach on my channel can do for you guys. Just go with me real quick on this and understand. So if you have a line of products, just a few products, and I have many more videos on my channel explaining this, anywhere from like 3 to 5 products, and they're brand oriented and brand specific. So let's say you're selling kitchen products and you have 3 to 5 items pertaining to that, and you have a group of people and fans who love your products and who stand behind your company. So 3 to 5 products can, when done right, can get you to the $500,000 mark. It doesn't take much, and it doesn't take thousands of products to actually create a profitable online business. And that's why I love e-commerce so much, because if you guys were in that standard 9-to-5 job, your salary is capped at $100,000, certain amount per year. But with online entrepreneurship, you actually have an unlimited amount of money that you can make. It's all in your head, and it's all up to how much you want to work for that. A few products can actually get you to $10,000, $20,000 per month, and it comes much quicker than you think once you understand what you're doing and you have all your processes in place, and you're learning from someone, whether it's me or somebody else who has done that before and who has achieved what you're looking to achieve, and who has done and gone through the failures that that are possible when starting online businesses. Because failures will happen, but how many of them, it depends on where you're getting your information from and who you're learning from. Because if you learn from other people's failures and mistakes, that can shortcut your success with the power of YouTube and you guys watching my videos and everything. You guys are just in the right direction, and if you're on my channel, then you guys are in the right place if you want to learn this type of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy my videos. I'm going to be coming out with tons of more. The Amazon Entrepreneurs course is in the works. I will let you guys know as soon as it comes out, and it will be the first link in the description. But to thank you guys for helping me cross the 100 subscriber mark, I'm going to give you for completely free my top 5 subject lines for emails to increase your open rates on your email autoresponders for your Amazon business. And when you send out emails, these subject lines will actually help your customers open them up much more than other subject lines. So the link to that will be below. Those are completely free. Just click on that, and then you'll get the PDF with those subject lines. So I've tested these, and I found these to work out the absolute best. I'll have that link down below for completely free. As always, if you want more content like this about Amazon FBA, e-commerce, living the laptop lifestyle, be sure to click that subscribe button, hit the bell, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.